In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text background to any color in Notion. This quick technique is perfect for drawing attention to key points, making checklists easier to scan, or organizing long pages by color coding important notes. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can start using it right away. First, select the exact text you want to highlight. Click and drag across a single word, a sentence, or even multiple lines. You can begin inside a paragraph, a heading, a list item, or a callout. Notion lets you style text almost anywhere. If you need a larger selection, start at the beginning of your section, hold Shift, and click at the end to capture everything in between. You'll know your selection is active when the text is shaded and a small toolbar appears nearby. Next, look for the text color icon in that toolbar. It's the one that looks like a capital A with a colored bar underneath. Click it to open the color menu. This panel gives you two types of styling. One set for changing the color of the letters themselves, and another set specifically for the background behind the text. Since we're focusing on highlights, move to the background section. Now, choose the background color you want. As soon as you click a color, Notion applies it immediately to your selected text, so you can see how it looks in context. Pick something that complements your page and keeps your text readable. Lighter shades usually work well for longer passages, while bolder tones can make short labels or callouts stand out. If you change your mind, just open the same color menu again and try a different background. And if you ever want to remove the highlight entirely, select Default Under Background to clear it and return to the original style. A couple of quick tips for best results. Aim for strong contrast so your text stays easy to read, especially if you use dark mode. Keep your color choices consistent across a page to build a clear visual language. One color for tasks, another for deadlines, and a third for important takeaways can make scanning much faster. And remember, highlights apply only to the exact selection you made. So if you need the same color across multiple sections, repeat the same steps on each selection. That's all there is to it. Highlight your text, click the text color icon, and pick the background color that fits your needs. With a few thoughtful choices, your Notion pages will be cleaner, clearer, and more engaging in no time.